This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Android version and launcher. This matters because icon theming rules change across releases. Once done, enable developer options only if you'll use ADB. That gives you permission to push files. Next, install necessary tools, ADB for non-root pushes, APK tool for unpacking an app, or a root file explorer if you have root access. Make sure to back up the original APK or system UI image before editing, because you'll need a restore point if things go wrong. You extract the target APK or system UI bundle so you can access raw drawables. APK tool handles this non-root, while root explorers read directly. Then locate the notification icon, assets in res/drawable* or mipmap* density folders. These are what Android uses for status bar and notifications. Open SVG or PNG files and recolor them to meet notification monochrome guidelines. Use white for adaptive icons or supply a mask. You must sign the rebuilt APK with a proper key, or if you're rooted, remount /system as read-write and replace the original file. Make sure permissions match the original. Reboot the device, clear the app cache, and trigger a test notification to verify the new icon color. Notifications sometimes cache old assets. If you still see the old color, check Adaptive Icon XML for mask layers and any notification color filters in code. Those override image colors, so update them and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.